The reason why Australia has a love affair of bricks is because, for one, the raw materials are absolutely abundant. The brick-making skills and the brick-making principles have been around for eternity. Bricks has built a really sustainable and good ground base in the Australian culture of building a house. That's why it's so popular. So, PGH Bricks is an Australian company. It's been around for many, many years. And we make a huge variety of bricks for the Australian and New Zealand markets. The group of businessmen in 1958 got together and kicked off the PGH business. In 1989, CSR bought out the PGH brand.
PGH manufacture bricks for the residential market and also the commercial sector, and all the bricks are produced from raw materials that we have in each state.
So we have 8 factories and they are scattered right across the east coast of Australia, and they all make quite an expansive range of products for all of the Australian market. There's a huge amount of regulation that our businesses get put on to make sure that we have all the checks and balances in place, not only from a quality point of view, but from an Australian standard point of view, to make sure customers are getting top quality product. From a climate point of view, look, you can't really get much better from a thermal property type of product than brick. I mean, brick has fantastic thermal insulation energy properties. It's highly durable. So you build a house out of bricks, the bricks themselves can last 100 years. And they're recyclable. So you can pull a brick house down and then you can recycle the bricks and use them to build a recycled look brick house.
Brick is very prominent across all the states because of the cooling and heating properties of brick, which makes it ideal for those states with the different fluctuations in temperature across Australia. Being a local manufacturer is important to the consumers and architects as well, that it's actually made in Australia, from Australia.
I think having the Australian-made logo on our business is really, really important. It says you're going to get a highly valuable commodity, you're going to get a high-quality product that is literally made out of local materials. It's made out of local people in your local states. And so it's really important for us to recognise that we need to support our Australian-made manufacturing.
The employees that are actually making the bricks in the plants every day, they've got a huge amount of pride in their craftsmanship of how they're produced, and that pride is also driven through with the Australian-made logo.